stars with us, apart from Renita, who's from my team, and she's going to introduce and tell you a little bit more about herself. But we also have Mr. Sai Krishna from the Srikakulam group, community group leader. He has an amazing experience. He's got an amazing story as well to share with you as to how he got introduced to Salesforce and what has been his journey throughout, and fantastic work being done there by him in learning as well as giving back. And you will realize that this organization is all about giving back. So you can imagine if Mr. Sai has left his work and been here just to speak to you all and share his story to motivate and inspire all of you, what an amazing community this is. So I would recommend and request each one of you to please join his community group at the end of the program. We have many more such community groups in Andhra Pradesh. Lot of similar leaders like Sai in this space who are doing some amazing work, and you all can all benefit. So first thing I want to say is you all are not alone, right? Because in the pandemic, we've all felt isolated. We have not been going to colleges. We are not meeting our friends. We feel a little lost saying, what do I do, right? How do I begin? Where do I go? What do I do? So first of all, I want to say you all are not alone. When you're trying to do Salesforce, we all do it together. So there is a fantastic community program that you can join that Mr. Sai is going to speak to you about and inspire all of you. We also have a faculty who has done this training with us, the faculty development training, who will also be talking to you and sharing their experience as well as to what they thought about the program, what they thought about this technology and all of that. So with that, let me first begin by quickly telling you about what Salesforce is, what do we do and all of that. Before that, if any of you are planning to, invest in Salesforce, don't listen to, just my words and Renita's presentation or this presentation before you invest. Please read all the industry and offer documents carefully before you invest. I have to share this statement. It's a requirement from my organization. Next slide, please. Thank you again for being here. What are we going to be covering in this presentation? We are going to be telling you what is Salesforce, why should you be learning Salesforce skills, what is Trailhead, what makes Trailhead special, and then finally we will be covering the Trailblazer Connect program, which is designed and run for students like yourselves. So quickly, I'm going to do a very quick poll. The first thing, again, I want to make sure that, we are not boring you and, I'm just not talking to the screen or myself here. Please let me know how many of you have heard of Salesforce and you know what is Salesforce. There is a reactions button at the bottom of your screen there. Raise your hand. Thanks, Leela. She was really quick there. Raise your hand or give me a thumbs up sign if you have heard of what is Salesforce already, and give me a thumbs down if you don't know what is Salesforce, so that I can gauge from the audience how many of you already know what is Salesforce and how many are new to this. Quick 10 seconds there for you to respond. Okay, I do see some thumbs down. There are people who don't know what is Salesforce. So that's good. That's great, because that means that, we have our work cut out. Renita and I and Sai and all of us here who are presenting to the students, we have to do a good job about telling you what is Salesforce. So let me begin by telling you a little bit about the organization. We are now a 20-year-old organization who have been in the CRM space. We have been ranked as the #1 CRM company for the last 8 years. Some really interesting facts. The person who started Salesforce, again, one of the persons who started, Mark Benioff, is an ex-Oracle just like me. So I again can relate a lot to his journey. He's one of the persons who inspires me as well. So if you have not heard of him, I would recommend you go and look him up. His name is Mark Benioff. I'm just putting that in the chat. Salesforce founder, you can Google and you can find him. Right, so next slide. Quickly, I'm going to be telling you about the 360-degree platform. So this is the Salesforce 360-degree customer platform. And this is a platform which is highly scalable and flexible. It has got fast time to value. I already told you that it's the world's #1 CRM, and it is now really helping us all to work from anywhere in this pandemic situation. So, and this gives a complete 360 view of the customer. Like all of you know, for any business to exist, you need a customer, right? If the customer's not happy, then the business is not going to continue for long. So how does a business know whatever products or services they're offering to their customer is doing good or not good, right? So all of that is supported by the CRM, the customer relationship management software that companies use to have to first of all capture the customer data, maintain it, to interact with the customers. All of that customer interaction is captured in this management. So I'm giving you a very high level definition of what a customer relationship management looks like. So whether it is just sales, right? When we take money from the customers, when businesses take money from customers and then they give services, the kind of marketing that they need to do to the customers, which makes sense, which is not going to be again too much or too little. What is just the right amount of marketing required? All of that, okay, all those pieces come together on this platform, making it really a very robust, flexible and scalable platform for businesses to deliver the customer relations with their businesses. And it's got all the latest technologies, whether it is artificial intelligence, automation, whether it is voice activated interaction like Siri or what is the other one, Alexa. So all of that is also built into the platform. So we have something called as Einstein. So there is a device, you can connect to the platform, you can talk to Einstein, you can say, hey Einstein, I think, and then it comes up, and then you can interact and update the platform. So all of that is already built into this platform. So it's really amazing. Again, another example that I share is when I was into sales, I've done sales in my earlier career. I would have to go do a sales call, come back, and I would sit and write notes. Today, it is so seamless that salespeople who use Salesforce, they can update, they dictate their notes onto the phone. From their phone itself, they can update their sales record about their customer meetings. It is that fast, it is that connected, that seamless, so that business doesn't pause. It continues, and you get real information that is getting updated, and it's shared across the organization. So this is a fantastic platform technology for you to be learning, and there's a huge demand that's being created because of this. Next slide, please. So yeah, these are our customer core values of these are our 4 core values that we are guided by: trust, customer success, innovation and equality. Next slide. So I was talking to you about the demand, right? So this is something that we are saying we are not just a business, right? We are an economy of trust. And you will see that this is like growing exponentially. So Renita, if you can go back to the previous slide. So this is what was, this is a term that is coined by this group called as IDC. They have done this study and they came up with this term called as Salesforce economy. And I was recently watching an interview, or rather I was watching a video of an interview of Mark Benioff, who I was telling you, one of the founders of Salesforce. He was saying that, Steve Jobs, who, of course, you all know Steve Jobs, right, from Apple. So he was having an interaction and he really looked up to Steve as his mentor. And he was sharing that Steve told him that he needs to come up with some economy, okay, for Salesforce. He needs to come up with some kind of a form of, putting a number, putting, what is the impact or effect of this business. And I'm thinking that's where it comes from, and it was inspired from that. And, the Salesforce economy was born. And this is an amazing economy where we are saying that just by Salesforce all the business that this company is creating with our partners as well as our customers, we are creating about 4.2 million jobs by the year 2024, and 1.2 trillion of business revenue is getting generated or will be generated by the year 2024, which is not too far away, as you all know. So this was the economy that was that's being the impact, the demand that's getting generated by this company. And if you zoom into India, you will see there is 500 and almost 500,000 jobs there, right? 500,000 jobs that are being created right here in Salesforce. Now, the last 3 years, next slide, please. Now, the last 3 days, we were in an event called as Dreamforce. And this is something that we called as a family reunion. I see Sai smiling there because he knows and he feels how special we think of this event. This is when all our customers, partners, our employees, everybody who's connected to Salesforce come together, we meet, we have an amazing time, we share ideas. It's almost like a family reunion, like when you go back to your village or you go back to your home, your friends are there, your family is there, everybody comes in to meet you, you have amazing food, amazing conversations. So that is what Dreamforce is like. And we just finished that yesterday. Again, it was an amazing session. I think we had like a huge number of people signing up, 1.9 million people who signed up, I think, and watched it live or something like that. There was some stats there which I read very quickly this morning about the whole event, but some amazing results and interactions there. And they revised the IDC report. So now what they are saying is that there will be 9.3 million jobs, right, that's going to be created across the globe by the year 2026. 9.6 from 4.2, it's got revised to 9.3 by 2026. And in India itself, it's going to be 1.3 million jobs that will be created by the year 2026. 1.3 million jobs are going to be there in Salesforce by the year 2021. So I think that's all. What does it mean? It means that there is an amazing opportunity for each and every one of us who's interested to learn Salesforce, to join this ecosystem, to grow our careers and to do some amazing work over here. So are we getting the slides back? I seem to have lost the slides, Renita. Okay, we're back on. Great. Thank you. So next, I'm going to talk about what is Trailhead very quickly. Next slide, please. Yeah, so Trailhead is our learning platform. This is where all of us go learn what is the latest that's happening in Salesforce. Renita, me, Sai, the person who's just done their FDP training, all of you, everybody will be going to this platform to learn about Salesforce. It is free. You can learn at your own pace. There is some amazing content over there, which has got business skills. It's got general skills. It's got things even on presentation skills. How do you prepare a good, fantastic presentation? I think there's even some content there on meditation. So I would request all of you to go there and check it out. It's an amazing platform, free of cost, and I assure you, you're going to have some really fun time learning and spending time there. And this platform is built with gamification. So every time you finish a module, you're going to win a badge. And you collect a few badges, you get a rank. And the Ranger rank is the biggest rank. I mean, it's really looked upon, aspiringly. If you do 100, if you get to 100 badges and I think some 50,000 points, you become a Ranger. So this is something that even companies who are looking to hire students are looking out for in the future, right? If you are a Ranger, are there student Rangers? And if you put it in your resume that you're a student Ranger, that itself tells a lot about how much of learning you've done on Salesforce. And like I was telling you, it's all super fun. Just like a game, you get level to level while you're learning, and you can share this among your friends, among the community, that I'm a Ranger, I'm a double Ranger. You'll see a lot of people even putting it on their LinkedIn profiles, saying that, I'm a 3X Ranger, or I've done a certain superset or a certain super badge. So people really like to, do this and then show their success of Trailhead on their social media platform. So I would really encourage you all to do that as well. It's super fun. Next slide, please. So these are the, this is again about Trailhead, where you can learn, earn, and connect. You learn in-demand skills. I already spoke to you about the amount of, the great demand that we have, and we are getting ready to, meet this demand in the coming years. So you can learn this amazing technology on Trailhead itself. You can earn through this gamified platform. You can earn resume-worthy credentials. We have more than 1,000 badges there that you can earn and win. And you can connect to community like Sai, who's here today, and he's going to talk to you about this Srikakulam community. So you can also connect to community leaders who are already, working on Salesforce, who already have some amazing experience to share. So this is a great, fantastic platform to do that. So trailblazers, who are trailblazers? Meet the trailblazers. Sai is a trailblazer for sure. Renita is a trailblazer. You all are trailblazers. Because you are here, you're interested. Anybody who comes onto our platform, starts learning, you are all trailblazers. You can even see Cody the bear there. He's a trailblazer as well. You'll see a lot of these fun characters around. We really like to believe that, it's important to have fun while you're learning. So again, this is an amazing platform where 2/3 of people have said that they have been more productive. This is a feedback we got from the companies. 50% of them got a promotion or a raise. 1/3 of them found a new job or made a career change. So some stats as well there for you to really understand how fantastic this whole platform is. So we are now on to Trailblazer Connect, and I'm going to hand it over to Renita from my team to take it forward from here and share more details about the program. Thank you, Renita.
Thank you, Banu. How is everyone doing so far? I have about 182 plus students, faculty here, and some more on YouTube. So give us a thumbs up if you like whatever you've heard so far. The introduction to Salesforce has been great. You're interested. I can see Sai giving us some in video, but I'd love some reactions. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know how you're feeling. You can feel free to give us a thumbs down. If you're not sure, you're wondering what is happening and you want to hear more. So I want to see some reactions from everyone there. All right. So what is Trailblazer Connect, this program that we run? So you've already heard who are Trailblazers, right? They're the ones pioneers, continuously innovating, continuously studying, continuously learning to more and interested to do more. So what we do is connect these students like yourselves to their first job opportunity in the Salesforce ecosystem. So that's where those two words come together. So that's what you have to look forward to through this program, to learn the most relevant Salesforce skills and to help you earn in the Salesforce ecosystem. To give you an overview of the program, we work with various government agencies like APSSDC here. We have a lot of other partners also that we work with. Those agencies then in turn sign up colleges. So we have a variety of institutions that are present in this call, and the institutions would then sign up students. Right? So we already have about 20,000 students enlisted in this program, and we're looking to get a whole lot of more students who are interested in learning Salesforce and making their careers on Salesforce. We have different students in terms of technical and non-technical students. So on YouTube chat, someone asked, is it for mechanical students? Yes, mechanical students can join in. So your background, we have different programs to help you for whatever your background might be. Right? And then we also have Trailblazer community activities that we do, Ask Me Anything sessions that are happening every weekend. So we already have this Saturday and Sunday lined up where you can go interact with Trailblazers in the community. These are people working on the Salesforce platform across a variety of jobs. We then end up with hiring companies through placements and internships for those who have completed the program. But you can see if you skill up, and Sai is a testament of that. If you skill up and learn on your own, through the community itself, you can get internship opportunities, right? So it's definitely a very helpful community and a whole lot of people helping you on your journey. So what does the program look like? What is your journey like? It's you can set up on two paths, either the developer or the admin. Join in on our Ask Me Anything sessions to get your questions solved while you are learning. So the whole learning path, the whole trail mix is on demand. You can sit at home late night, relax, instead of watching some Netflix, do a couple of modules, gamified. It's addictive for sure. You'll enjoy it. After you've gone through all of these learning paths, you can check your learning, test your learning, and win some cool prizes through hackathons, through case study contests, through large amount of swags that we're giving out for colleges who complete the program. So a whole lot of fun and excitement that's there for you. You also get a fantastic opportunity to take up mentorship. Now, these things will be released later on as and when the time comes and you progress through the program. Here, you can get a mentor from the community who will help you out to write your resume, to work on your soft skills, help you with your LinkedIn profile, prepare you for interviews so that you can get a great start when you start appearing for interviews. We also have soft skill webinars and a whole lot of other activities. So if you want to know more about the programs, right, about the trail mixes, what will you be studying? So we have two parts set out. One is the developer part. This is a NOS-aligned course, so you can get credits for it. Your college can get credits for it, and we'll get into more details of this as we progress in the program. You get to earn 2 super badges, which are real world business challenges that are here, a variety of projects and hands-on experience in a developer org. Right? So all of this is for free for you. You have Ask Me Anything sessions. If you have questions, you can reach out to them. If you have questions or errors that you're getting, you can reach out to the community. So if you open the Trailhead app, you'll see the community that right there. Right? Or you can just ping or Twitter and ask generally people who are there, and everyone is helpful and will help you pass this. So at the end of that, you get something called as Platform Developer 1 credentials. And this is very unique and important in the Salesforce ecosystem, that employers recognize that you have some set of knowledge once you have cracked these credentials. This can then, if you would like, roll up into a certification for Platform Developer 1. The second program that we have is Job Ready Admin. So this is for students with non-technical background. So if you are a BSc, a BBA, a BCom, and you would like to learn Salesforce, this is a job ready program. Is for anybody, students who have no technical knowledge or do not want to get into anything about code itself, can start off with this admin module. Once you get addicted, you like it, you can take up the developer course, right? So we offer both these two programs that are there. So what does the timeline look like? So starting right now, you can go up, sign up for the program, sign up to Trailhead, get a feel of it, share your details with the APSSDC team, share your email address, sign up for the program, complete 30 badges at least by 15th of October. Okay. And then we are going to help you with the superset. There's going to be something called as Super Badge Superheroes, right? Where we help you with the Super Badge set. And you have to complete all of that by 31st of October. So a compressed timeline, definitely, but it's all possible. And it can, so we set it up for 5 weeks. You can do it in 2 weeks, I'm sure. There are lots of people who have done the program much faster, right? So how much you want to study beyond that is completely up to you. But look at finishing the course by 31st of October, because in November, we have hackathon, we have case study contests. You can win really large prizes in this, right? And you will definitely get eyes from the community, eyes from hiring partners when you're taking part in this. And we definitely want to be part. Share your learnings on social media. You can tag Banu, me, right? You can tag Sai Krishna if he has helped you out, right? So it's a very friendly community. In December, we then look at some soft prep, soft skills, shaping your interview preparedness, your profiles, your resumes, helping you prep up for the career fair and employer connections. So those who complete the program will then be eligible for the career fair. I want to stress on that again. You need to complete the program to be eligible for hackathon, case study contests, and the career fairs. Right? So focus on completions by 31st October, and you have a whole lot of things waiting for you. So this is how it pans out. And in interest of time, I'll just move very quickly. Join our Saturday sessions, Ask Me Anything, where you can meet the Trailblazer community for developers, and Ask Me Anything sessions on Sundays for admins. It's 11 a.m. You can follow me on Twitter to get the registration details. Yeah. All right. So our mentorship has a whole lot of aspects I've already spoken about: resumes, your personal pitch, your mock interviews, career counseling, and finally it ends with placement opportunities. So we had about 2,000 career connections that we did last year, and looking at doubling that number, larger number this year. So now I am going to pass the baton on to Sai Krishna. We want to hear from you, Sai. Sai is a student and he's also working. So definitely want to hear your experience.
Thank you so much, Anita. Thank you, Banu ma'am. Good evening, everybody. Hope I'm audible. My audio is clear, right? Yeah.
Yes,
so it's a good evening. I've enjoyed the session till now. It's always a reunion of family whenever we meet, like Banu ma'am or Anita, anyone from Salesforce. It's just a family reunion. So starting with my journey, I'm Sai Krishna. I'm a final year undergraduate from Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, and I'm working as a software engineer trainee at Cloudways Private Limited. So, to briefing about, as we are running out of time, so I'll be telling everything in a brief way. So when I initially started Salesforce, I had no idea what Salesforce was or how demanding Salesforce was. I was just a student like you people, a very new person to start Salesforce, thinking that it will make my career best. Like I can settle my career. So it was just that thought, and I started Salesforce with a lot of enthusiasm and passion to learn more. And I could strongly tell Salesforce only didn't make me learn technical things, but also it has made me completely fulfilled to be ready for a company, to be ready for a placement. So it has given me all the things, like whatever I needed to be placed, or I need to be a better individual, like to improve your personality. Trailhead and Salesforce community helps you a lot. So it was that time when I started learning. It was 2019. Later on, it was 2020. Lockdown came, and I was pretty happy that lockdown has helped me a lot to skill up myself. I was continuously doing super badges. I have started my own community group at a college, and we have almost 60 plus students in the campus learning Salesforce now from last June. And very recently, we have celebrated our curriculum anniversary group also. That it's just about sharing your learning, sharing your time for other people to make them understand what Salesforce is, how Salesforce can benefit yourself. And I could say one more thing. It's not of a achievement, but it's kind of help for a person. I have a brother. He's from electrical background. He used to work as electrical engineer for last 3 years, but COVID has made him lose his job. So I have made him learn Salesforce, and now I'm happy to share that he's placed in a best MNC in India. So this is all what Salesforce is. It makes you so comfortable, so packed with every skill, whatever you require to crack jobs. And coming to Trailblazer community and Trailhead, as we have our core values like trust, innovation, equality. Like every year, Trailhead is giving a lot of innovation in that. So when I started Trailhead, there was no mobile application, there was no Android application for that. But now Trailhead is in your mobile. You can download it from your Play Store. So wherever you, even you're in a bus, even you're eating, even you're dancing, whatever you're doing, you can learn Salesforce. And Salesforce just not made me learn Salesforce skills, but also I've learned presentation skills. I have learned the best way to communicate with the people outside your, outside college, outside your home. So it will make you everything perfect for a job, or whatever your aspiration is, it will make you perfect. So what I would suggest is just go and download Trailhead Go in your mobile applications. It is both available in Play Store and iOS Store. And some more achievements from my end using Salesforce and being in Salesforce community is I have participated in a case study contest initiated by Vinay Chaturvedi sir. So there we stood second as a team. It was a nationwide contest, and it was great experience for me working with other people of other states. I have a team of 4. So those were not from my college. Those were not from my state as well. So they were from Rajasthan, and they were from other state. So it was a great time. You meet other people. You understand their opinions. You work according to them, and you bring a best output. And to share that, we won second in the competition, and we had a lot of swags as well. So Salesforce encourages you to learn more and more by gifting you whenever you are achieving something. And recently I become a 2.5x ranger. So which means I have completed 1,50,000 points, more than 1,50,000 points. And Trailhead is continuously motivating me to learn more and more, to keep getting more and more ranks. And I have recently joined my company, a company Cloudbase. It's in Bangalore. So there I joined as an intern, and successfully I completed my internship. And I'm the very first student from my college to be placed. That is what, it gives a lot of achievements when you join Salesforce, when you're in the Salesforce community. And not just about myself, Salesforce has many people who are always ready to help you. Like I could tell some of the best people I know, whom I have worked with, whom I learned from, are Isha, Sesha, Gaurav Khetarpal sir, Om Prakash sir. There are many trailblazers who keep on learning every day, and they are always ready to help you out. So I would suggest all the students here, or all the faculty who are there, to keep on motivating yourself and start Salesforce immediately, so that you are ready for the career fair. And I surely believe career fair is one of the best thing you could ever experience in your college life. It's not just a campus placement. It's an open competition for you to win and excel there. And thank you so much, Bhanu ma'am and Anita, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Sai. Great to have you speak. And a reminder to everybody, he's a student still, right? So you're hearing one of you speak. So thank you very much, Sai. We also have a faculty with us, Mrs. Thokla Shrivali, who attended our faculty development program. So we would love to hear from you, ma'am, about your experience with Apex. Apex is the language that Salesforce works on. So if you could share, how easy was it? How difficult was it for you to learn that? Ma'am Thokla Shrivali, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear you?
This is Srivalli from Prakasam Engineering College from Kandakur. It's in Prakasam district. So it's very useful session for the students and all the faculty members who learn a new technology, and we are also we are having the basic knowledge about the programming languages, but it's so useful having knowledge about Salesforce. It's very useful session for us and our students also. And thanks for this type of programs for connecting APSDC, for giving type of chance to the students and all the faculty members to learn more and more new technologies. And Salesforce, it's a great platform to learn easily. We can easily understand, and we can easily start with that one. So it's a thank you for giving this type of, this type of opportunity to tell about this session. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So now we open for questions. So please let us know in the chat box if you have any questions. We do have 15 minutes more, and we would love to take questions. Me, Banu, Sai Krishna, the APSSDC team, Dr. Ravi, all of us are there right now to help you with any questions. And we already have a question from Epuri Santosh Kumar, who asks, ma'am, we should complete courses of developer and admin both. So what we would recommend is complete one course in its entirety first. So complete the developer course first. If you complete that, you are eligible for all the benefits that are there. The hackathon, the career connections, all of that is eligible for you if you complete one course. So complete the developer. If you finish and you love it, do the admin, because more is always better, right? You'll get picked up faster. If you are a ranger, you've done more, you're more knowledgeable on it. When does the course start? Venkata Ramana asks. So you can sign up with APSSDC and sign up with us simultaneously. So you can start the course tonight itself. right? We can share the links, but make sure you register with APSSDC. That is super important. Where to start? Nanda Kishore Reddy asks. So if you have your mobile phone, download Trailhead Go. If you are on a laptop, go to Trailhead. I'm going to paste the link of the course in the chat box, right? So you can start learning the program. So there's a course called Salesforce Developer Catalyst. That is the learning path that you need to undertake. So you can start learning right away.
Yeah, I just want to also add that make sure that you are registered with us on the program. Like Shrivali ma'am, we have faculties from each of the colleges who's working with APSSDC, who's the host for today's event. So please make sure that you have contacted the faculty. Whoever sent you this information to join today's session will be your faculty point of contact most probably. So please reach out to them, make sure you have registered, because only then will we be able to track your progress. We will send you future communications. We will let APSSDC team know who are the students who have completed the program and all of that. So make sure that you have registered to the program, you have shared your details with them, you have registered successfully on Trailhead before you can get started. I would also ask Sai to please share the Srikakulam group link here. Please join the community group. And if you get stuck somewhere, you have questions, you don't have to wait for a Saturday and Sunday even to attend an AMA session. You can ping the community members right there who is in Andhra Pradesh with y'all to help you, to guide you, to share more information. And Sai has graciously shared his wonderful journey here, and I'm sure he can be reached out as a mentor. He mentioned a lot of people who helped him, and now I'll be so happy to see all of you leveraging his experience and journey and sharing his name. Probably sometime you all will be presenting like Sai, and probably referring to Sai as your mentor. So make Sai your mentor. If Sai is busy, he can connect you to more community people. So definitely join the community.
Thank you, Banu ma'am. Like, yes, I could be your mentor, and I'm always ready to help you out whenever you reach me out. And you can follow me on LinkedIn at Sai Krishna Sastry Kumara. You can reach me out there. I'll be very active on LinkedIn. And you can follow me on Twitter also, just searching my name, the same name. So we can connect anytime whenever you need my help. And I'll be always ready to help you regarding the Salesforce or the community or the opportunities, whatever you require, according to your profile and everything. That would be my pleasure to give back to the community, as I have taken much from the community.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you. And that answers B. Chandra Shekhar's question also. I've completed 25 badges, madam. How can I connect to the community, right? Sai has given you the details. Go connect with him. If you want more, there's also the button. You go to Trailhead, you'll see a top button on your app. Also, you'll see a button saying community. Really easy to connect with them. We also have a question saying how much course fees? The fees are free, zero, right? So it's a free course that we give to all the students that are there. Okay, let's have some more questions coming in. We do have time. One really important thing in response to B. Chandra's question also is, if you've already done badges, you already are on Salesforce, you already registered, use that same email address to register with APSSDC. Right? So keep one email address through your registration process, whether it's with APSSD, whether it's on Trailhead, whether it's on any programs that we run. Keep one email address, because we're tracking your progress, we're tracking everything through that email address.
So registration link, would APSSD team, anybody from the APSSD team want to give the next steps?
Yes, we'll share everything. How to register and how to do this course, everything will follow up. No worry, guys. So is there any WhatsApp group? Someone's asking in chat box. So actually at present no WhatsApp group, but guys, you can register in that, what we have provided the link. And anyway, we have a if you have any questions, really if the questions are really valid, so then make a note of email ID, which is .prithvi.uppal@apssdc.in, which was in chat box also. You can make a note and you can just email to that, and So you will get a really good answers to you. So I hope any questions, anything which is related to this program, just ask us. Definitely will help. And Prithvi sir will be the point of contact for this program because he was dealing this entire Salesforce program. So if you have any questions, please reach out and he will help you uh, to register or to do something. So I hope everything.
Priya, can I just request you to please put that email address again on the
Yeah,
WhatsApp?
yeah. Just I'm sharing in chat box. Just give me a minute.
Perfect,
And
perfect. Thank you.
yeah. So any questions, students or faculty who were joined to this session? So any questions, please ask. And to answer, Banu and Renita also there, and so they'll answer your questions. And how much duration it will be? So many questions in chat we can see.
Yeah, the trail mix itself, see, I will tell you that you all know there is no shortcuts in life, right? The more effort and time you put into the learning, the more you're going to benefit from the program. So don't do the program just to kind of complete the badges. Make sure you're spending time to understand the concepts. You're doing real learning, because it's not just enough that you complete the badges. You're going to be sitting for an interview. This is a job centric program. I'm going to repeat that. Right, so make sure your learning is good. The entire learning itself is for 5 weeks on Trailhead, but it doesn't stop there. As you saw, there are a lot of activities that are planned, with starting with a hackathon, with case study contest. That is the same case study contest that, by the way, Sai participated, and he was a winner. So we are running that same contest again through Vinay, who's again one of the MVPs of the community. He's bringing that event again. So we will, once you complete or you start off on this course, you will hear more about that event as well to participate. There is a resume writing contest. If you remember, in the beginning of the program, I said you're not alone. So even after you finish the course, you can continue to engage with the community to write your resume. How is my resume looking good? How do you know, right? Who do you go to feedback usually? Here is an opportunity for you to connect with industry people, to get your resumes reviewed, get feedback. How can you make it better? Do mock interviews, practice your interviews, practice your introduction, practice how you're going to be presenting yourself at these interviews. All of this will happen in December, and finally the career fair in January. So it doesn't end with just the 5 weeks of learning of trail mix. That's the beginning, I would say. So pay attention to your foundation, do your studies, do your courses, your learning, pay attention to that. Also pay attention to your marks. Make sure you don't have backlogs, you've got a good CGPA that you can, when you apply for these programs. Somebody did ask about, what was the numbers of students who got placed and all of that. So we had close to actually more than 900 students who got placed to this program last year. Cognizant itself did a big hiring with us last time. We have similarly, again, large organizations, big GSIs who come forward again, and they have told us that they are interested to hire from the school again. So pay attention to your learning, do your foundations well, so that you can crack your interviews, and you're going to be confident at your interviews, right? And we have the community here, you have a mentor here to help you. What more would you want, right? And swags as well to win. So we'll be announcing some swags that you can win along the way. So let's have some fun while we are learning as well. So I really hope to see all of you who's here attended the session, register with us, start learning, and take the benefit of this amazing program.
Yeah. So thanks, Banu, for your answer. I hope everyone was understood like how to register this program and how to be in that and utilize this program. And guys, yes, utilize and do badges and crack the job finally. This is our motto, and this is their motto also. That's why we are all here. So do that, utilize that, and do something crazy in your life, which is not did others. And also I just shared some link in chat box. all you can join in that Telegram group, which was official of APSSDs. Almost 15,000 students were there in that Telegram. If you are not there, just join in that, and you came to know future programs about all, not only Salesforce, every program you can know what we are doing, APSSD is doing. And finally, I would like to thank Banu as well as Renita as well as Sai Krishna and as well as Srivalli. Thank you so much for coming and giving such a nice intro to all the students and faculty. And finally, I would like to thank Prithvi sir also, because because I think 158 or whatever the students or participants, because of him only, he what we can say that he shared all the required information to all the students and everyone. And finally, CGM sir also, Dr. Ravi Kuchala, because he was very enthusiastic to bring this type of programs. So, and that's it, I think. Anything. So thank you so much once again, everyone. So we'll meet on as soon as possible. So thank you, team. Thank you, everyone. Have a
Thanks,
nice day.
everyone. Stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.